Okay, let's look at percentages, and we're going to look at percentages more closely from the point of view of calculating its increase and decrease. It's quite simple, as you've already seen. Here's a toy car, and it costs, the original price was $20, but there's been a sale, and as you know, during the sale, they reduced the price so they can get rid of all the stocks. So the sale price is $16. Now the question is, what is the reduction here? Now, if you think in terms of dollars, the reduction is obviously from 20 to 16 is decreased by $4. But then $4 decrease is what percentage? Which means think of it as what fraction, by what fraction is this price reduced to 16? $4 is what fraction of the original price 20? That's all we need to know. So if we know that it's 4/20th, so the decrease is the decrease over the original price, which is $4 over the original price, which is 20, then the fraction is 1/5. And 1/5 is the fractional decrease. Change it to percentage. What do you do? That's right, multiplied by 100%, and we know what the percentage decrease is. It is exactly 20%. So what does that mean? It means if you imagine the car, its original price was, say, $100, then 20% decrease means it's 20 less for each 100. So if you imagine the original price to be $100, then the sale price would be $20 less, which means 100 minus $20, which is $80. That's what you imagine. So in your mind, you lay down a base reference point of 100. Original price 100, now it costs 80. Gives you an idea how much the difference is. And you can judge whether it's too much or too little or worth buying at a sale price. So that's the decrease. Okay, let's think in reverse. Suppose it costs $16. The original price was $16. We'll just do a thought experiment. We imagine that the original price was $16 and the price has been increased to $20. That's the new price, okay? So it increased by $4. And if it increased by $4, then what is the fractional increase? Now this time we're talking about $4 as being what fraction of the original price, in which case the original price is 16 and not 20. So if we take the original price to be 16, then $4 increase happens to be 1/4. A fraction 1/4, which in percentage would be times 100%, which is actually around 25%. So the increase is a 25% increase and not a 20% increase. So in reverse, the amounts are different because we took the original price to be the lower one, the 16, not 20. So that's what makes the difference. So what does it all mean? Just we know what it means. 25% increase means it means 25 more than for each 100. So if the original price was $100 over here, then the new price in this case would be $125. That's what we're saying. So remember the two scenarios here. 20 decreased by $4 to $16. That's a percentage decrease of 20%. But 16 increased to $20. An increase of $4 in this case would be a percentage increase of 25%. There, you got that. Now, just quick review of what all these terms mean. The price of a camera increased by 25%. What does it mean? What do you understand by that? You imagine the camera to cost $100, and so the price increased by 25% means it'll cost $125. That's all that it is. It's very simple. If the original price was 100, the new price is 125. That's all. If it changed by 15%, which means it increased by 15%, then the new price would be 115. If it's increased by 40%, it means the new price is $140. And so on. Same thing for decrease. If the price of the camera decreased by 25%, imagine the original price was $100, then the new price would be 100 minus $25. Take away $25, decrease it by $25, and you get $75. It's as simple as that. Nothing complicated. If it decreased by 15%, then instead of costing $100, it'll now cost $85. If it decreased by 40%, instead of costing $100, it'll now cost $60. There you go. Very simple. The price of a camera increased by 25%. Okay, now suppose the original price was $250. What will the new price be? Let's put it on a grid. If we want to know what the new price is, on the grid we show the original price is $250, and we know that there's a percentage increase of 25% of what? 25% of the original price. So we take 25% of $250, which is, well, 0.25 times 250, and that comes to $64.25. That's the amount by which it increases from its original price. So if we take the original price over there, add it to the increase, the actual increase, and when we do that, we get a total of $314.25. That's the new price. That's how you calculate percentage increase and find the new price. We could do the same thing for a decrease. So that's the new price, $314.25. Now if you take a television, the original price of a TV was decreased by 40%. Now, the original price was $385, so let's write that down as a given. What is its new price? So on the grid, the original price is shown as $385. What do we write here? What do we write here? Yes, after the original price, we know it was decreased by 40%, so let's show the decrease. The percentage decreases how much? 40%. So we'll write 40%, but 40% of what? Very good, 40% of the original price, which means 40% of $385. Now we work this by converting this into a decimal, which is 0.4. So 40 over 100 is 0.40, multiply the 2, and we get the actual decrease. So from the original, we take out the actual decrease, which is $154, and the answer is the new price, and that happens to be $231. That's the cost of the new television set on a sale where it's been decreased by 40%. The price has been decreased. So work out these kind of problems from your textbook, from your worksheets, whatever, and you'll find it's not at all complicated. It's very straightforward, and there's no deep, hidden, secret mystery behind percentages. They're pretty straightforward, and next time you see an ad on television or wherever, and it says a discount or a reduction, both the same thing, you'll know exactly what it means. But remember, your baseline figure is always 100. If you want to know whether the discount or the sale price is good or not good, imagine it to cost 100 and then say, oh, now it's going to cost 75. That's not bad. Or imagine it to be 100 and you go, oh, it only costs 95 now. That's 5% decrease. That's not too much. There you go. Take care, have a great day, and bye-bye.